Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve this problem. If given x plus 1 upon x is equal to square root 5, then find the value of x to the power 11 minus 7x to the power 7 plus x to the power 3. Here given condition is this one, x plus 1 upon x is equal to square root 5. Taking both side square, so here we can expand this. So x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 multiply this one and this one. So x cancel, just 2. And square root 5 square is 5. So what is x square plus 1 upon x square value? 5 minus 2, which is 3. Now again taking a square, so like this we can expand this. So x square, then square, so x to the power 4. Here we do square, so we get 1 upon x to the power 4 plus 2. This one multiply with this and this is cancel, x square, so we get just 2. And 3 square is 9. So x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 is 7. 9 minus 2, 7. So we got actually 7, right? Like this one. So we can do like here multiply x to the power 4 in whole equation. So x to the power 4 plus 4 is 8. This is 1 and this is 7, x to the power 4. Okay. So x to the power 8 minus 7 x to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. So we got minus 7 x to the power 4. But here given minus 7 is same, but x to the power 7. So we have to multiply by x to the power 3. Okay. Here both side multiply by x to the power 3. X to the power 3 multiply with this term x to the power 8. So we get x to the power 8 plus 3, 11. Minus 7, here multiply this one. So we get minus 7 x to the power 4 plus 3 is 7. When we multiply with this, so we get x to the power 3. And when we multiply with 0, we get 0. And actually just like this expression, x to the power 11 minus 7x to the power 7 plus x cube, right? So we got this one and answer is 0. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt in any step, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.